Welcome to the 5 Steps to Debt Freedom course. In this course, you are going to learn how to become debt free in 2 years or less in any setting. Now, this is based on $100,000 of student loans, but if you have more loans or less loans, or if you are a student, you are still in the perfect place. So let's get started in this course. Now, here's what you're going to accomplish. By the end of this course, you will have gained a complete understanding of your loans and your repayment options. You'll be able to secure a high paying position. You'll be able to create a combined income of $100,000 even as a new graduate. And we're going to use all of this so that you can become debt free using any setting and in any career path. So here's the outline. Section 1, we're going to go through defining your debt freedom goals. Section 2, we're going to go through how you can lower your student loan interest rate. Section 3, we're going to build your repayment strategy so that you can conquer your loans easily and effectively. Then in Section 4, we're going to go over maximizing your earnings. Section 5 will be all about maximizing your savings. And then Section 6 is a little extra section on earning extra income. And to really top it all off, I have provided you bonus courses on negotiation, resume creation, interviewing, and travel healthcare. I really thank you for allowing me to be part of your debt-free journey. And along the way, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out at debtfreept@gmail.com. Now let's get started in Section 1, where we create your debt freedom goals.